but don't bring me back in chain. Anybody who has rifle and the rifle is collected from him, it's a shame. It's a shame. You better be prosecuted for doing what you have done mistakenly. Even in murder, there is what do I call it? Okay, there is one that is intentionally done, and there is that one is mistakenly done. The punishment are different. It's better to defend. No PMM man has ever been posted alone. Am I right? So how should 2 or 3 or 4 persons hold the key? Or 2 run away, 2 kill? And when we came in, there are situations where dead bodies are tried for the room, doing the wrong thing. It's dismissed and handed over to their family. Did you hear what I'm saying? I've seen where police dead body tried in an orderly room and get it dismissed so that the family will not even get its death benefit because of absolute recklessness. How would that? And whatever that the man must have.
Okay.
Defend yourself, please. We are supposed to defend people. Now we cannot even defend ourselves. So who are you going to defend? Now that you cannot even defend yourself. You want to order? Which order are you waiting? Teaching for us. At the same time, abuse us. So that for lack of professionalism, for lack of training, for lack of you knowing how to handle, you are carrying gun, you never know even how to operate. Kaya, just a load. You are just carrying load. Gentlemen, you should wake up. You should wake up. Burial expensive. It takes how many days to come? Everybody. While we are trying to look at issues, please correct yourself. Know how to operate what you are carrying. It's not a shame for you to ask the next. I have forgotten the training. No, I have not fired rifle for the last so year. I mean, which one you did? It's not a shame for you to have cock and say the rifles refuse to cock. Which one? The rifle didn't refuse to cock. It is you that is don't know how to cock, or whether you are jittery or you are afraid or you are whatever. Courage comes once. Nobody will die until his time comes. Even the Malaika, you know Malaika? Even the Malaika of death did not know where your life is until he has been asked to go and take the life of this person in so place. Nobody will kill you until your time is up. And when your time is up, you go to banka. Yes. Yes. Let them bring you before me that you do the wrong thing. Then you... So, I believe in you, DGIG. This operation 2 weeks. And you must give me result. If not, I will increase and I will not give you 1 pound. You must bring result. Especially those who are killing us. And to do what? Take us any, look for those who are killing and kill them. The president said anybody carrying rifle. What did he say? Which directive are you waiting from? ASP, Abi DSP? Abi Commander or IG? directive from AC or IG. When president say kill him, don't ask anybody waiting 847 did that. Please kill him. Did you hear? Quote me anywhere. Keep quiet.
Igbo bụ Igbo, unu na-ajụ m kedu ihe na-eme na Okpara Square dị n'Enugu tata. Ọ bụ Operation Restore Peace nke Inspector General of Police guzobere n'Enugu tata. Ihe eji guzobe ya bụ ihe bụ ka ọgwa ndị mmadụ na polisi adịla njikere ugbu a na ihe ọbụla gbasara nchekwa na Nigerian Police nọzi na enu ya. Enweghị ihe ga-agha ndị uwe ojii imemi na ndị omekome ọbụla n'odo ọbụla na Southeast of Nigeria. Ebe anyị nọ kịta bụ na Okpara Square dị n'Enugu, wee na-ewetara unu ka ya bụ ihe si wee gaa tata. Ị na-anya ịhụ na enyela ndị uwe ojii niile nọ n'Enugu si ha ga-abazia jee chọpụta ndị ọbụla na-enye nsogbu. Dịka onye bụ IG of Police si wee kwuo tata, ọ gwara ndị uwe ojii na ọ bụ ihe ihere na ha na-anwụ n'aka ndị nkịtị n'agbanyeghị ọzụzụ niile enyere ha maka ịchụ ndị omekome n'ụdị ọbụla. O nyela ha ikikere si na ya achọghịzi ịnụ na onye uwe ojii nwụrụ n'aka ndị nkịtị ọzọ. Ihe a kpọrọ ya bụ Operation Restore Peace. Ebidola ya n'Okpara Square dị n'Enugu tata wee sị na ọ ga-ezu mpaghara ọwụwa anyanwụ Nigeria niile ọnụ. Unu na-anya ifu na ndị uwe ojii nọ n'ụdị ha ugbu a wee dị njikere maka ya bụ ọrụ onye isi ha ziri ha tata.
La 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 la.